If you're a dill pickle lover, then this dill pickle egg salad is about to become your favorite lunch. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, like I said, this dill pickle egg salad is about to become your favorite lunch. I'm not joking. It has creamy eggs, it has crunchy pickles, it has dill, has a little splash of pickle juice to create that perfect tangy bite in every spoonful. It is absolutely delicious. So let me stop talking, we'll go over all the ingredients and then we'll get started. Alrighty, so I have some dill pickle chopped up, and we're going to be using some of the dill pickle juice. We have yellow mustard. I have some red onion, mayo. I have some dried dill, paprika, salt and pepper, and 4 eggs. And friends, this is all the ingredients that we're going to be using. Now let's get started. Alright, my friends. This recipe is going to get cut in half because I do not need this much egg salad. So I'm cutting it in half, but I'm going to put the entire recipe, the full recipe, in the description box so you know what the full recipe is. But I do want to give you a quick tip on how I cook and peel my eggs. I have, I think, found the perfect way to get those eggs peeled without, cracking it or whatever. So what I do is I put water in a pan, put my eggs in the pan, and then turn the stove on, boil them. Once they get to a rapid boil, then I boil for 13 minutes. After that, I take it out and I dump the hot water out, and then I start running cold water right in the pan. And within, less than 30 seconds, I start peeling. I grab the egg, and you know how it's more pointier at the top, at the bottom? I just tap it on the side of the sink. There's always like an air pocket right there. Once in a blue moon, I may get one that doesn't have one, but 99.9% of the time, there's a little air pocket right there. And I can get my finger in there, and then I just put my finger, and I just roll it off. I don't pick it, I roll it off. And then I rinse it under the cold water because sometimes it's hot to handle, and I just rinse it under the cold water, and boom, it's peeled. And I very, very rarely have a problem where the shell did not come off or ruin the egg. So I wanted you to see my cool little pickle shirt. I love this shirt. But anyway, let's go ahead and now put this together. Alrighty, so we're going to start with cutting our eggs. I use my little egg slicer here. I put the egg in, and I'm using 4 eggs. Like I said, the recipe calls for 8. I slice it, then I take it off, and then I turn it around and slice it the other way. I do need to push it up a little bit when I start to slice it, or else it gets real sticky. What happened? What the heck? Did I turn it around? I turned it around and put it back the same way. I'm losing my mind, y'all. I'm leaving this in there. I'm not editing it out. And then you turn it the other way, and boom. I'm telling you, this menopausal brain is crazy. Let me know if you experience this. Putting it in, cutting it. I can't believe I done that. I'm like, ugh. Turn it. Just like that. Alrighty. Turn it, Kel. Alright, last egg. I can't wait to dive into this. I'm getting hungry. It is lunchtime. Actually, I haven't even eaten breakfast yet, and it's 11:30 already. Alrighty, so we have our egg here. Now I have a 1/4 cup of dill pickles. Chopped up, diced up, I should say. And I have about 3/4 of a cup of diced red onion. Okay. And now we're going to add a tablespoon of pickle juice. And we're going to add 2 tablespoons of mayo. If you're not a huge mayo fan, you can add a little bit less. And then we're going to add a half a teaspoon of yellow mustard. Alrighty, and then we're going to add a half a teaspoon of dill. Now I grew my own dill last year, and I dried it, but you know, you can buy it, you can use fresh dill, you can use dried dill, whatever you want to do, not a big deal. So I'm using a half a teaspoon of dill. And then we're just going to add a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. Make sure I open it on the right end and don't dump a ton out there. Alrighty, now let's go ahead and mix this up really well. Oh, I probably should have used a bigger bowl. Yeah, definitely should have used a bigger bowl. But I thought, oh, I'm just making a little bit. I don't need a bigger bowl. It's working. It's okay. And friends, you can see that it's that simple. It does not get any easier than that. The most time-consuming part was chopping up the pickles and the onion, honestly. Look at that. Yum. All right, let's go ahead and put this on a pretty plate, and we're going to do a taste test. Alrighty, let's go ahead and make this look pretty. You can eat this by itself. You can put it on some lettuce, big bit of lettuce. You can make a sandwich out of it. I think I'm going to do a sandwich with some 647 bread. Look at that. And then we're going to take a tiny bit of paprika. That was way more than I wanted. And just look at that. Isn't that pretty? And we're just going to sprinkle a little bit of dill to make it look pretty. You can make this. This would be a great party item, like people that love pickles, baby shower, bridal shower. You can make a huge batch of it. And look how pretty that is. Isn't that gorgeous? Now let's do our taste test. Alrighty, as always, there will be pictures at the end of the video so you can get a close-up. Let's go ahead and do a quick taste test because I am hungry and I want to make a sandwich. Oh, good. My pickle lovers, you're going to love this one. 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. So friends, that'll do it for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that little subscribe button as it does greatly help me out. And also, so many fun recipes, oldie but goodie recipes, new recipes. We're going to have a huge pickle themed giveaway, so make sure you're subscribed. Hit that button. You want to make sure you're subscribed. Get those notifications so you don't miss out on all the pickle fun. And also, friends, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on those social media sites as well. So thanks so much for joining me, and I will catch up with you next time. Bye.